rewrite and simplify this expression here to remove any negative exponents. All right, so I've got 6y cubed z all over 2yx squared, and this is being raised to the negative 1. So we want to get rid of the negative exponents. Okay. So what can we do? Well, again, we've got a lot of different properties of exponents that could be exploited. You know, we've got an a over b to some power here. We might split that up. Okay. Or again, we might focus on the negative exponent here first as being the more important thing. Okay. It's really up to us as long as we just keep chugging along and applying properties of exponents to get rid of those negative powers. We're going to be fine. I only see the 1, so I'm actually going to use this second rule right away. Just get rid of the negative exponents. Okay. Although, alternatively, we could have simplified the original expression here. First, to maybe cancel out the 6 and the 2 or some of the y's. Okay. But there, I've gotten rid of the negative exponents, but I wouldn't say this is simplified. So let's simplify this fraction down here a little bit, and then we'll finish off things. So 6 over 2 is going to be 3. Okay. Y cubed over y, so that's y cubed over y to the 1. We could write that as y to the 3 minus 1, or y to the power 2. Okay. And then we've got a z over an x squared. There's not really anything to combine those two. So I'll leave the z there and the x squared on the bottom. In a different style of question, I could have written the x as x to the minus 2, but we're trying to avoid negative exponents, so why introduce one? Okay, and now what's left to do? Well, we've got a reciprocal of a fraction. So we could go slow and write this as a division of a fraction. Or we might remember sort of this, I would say, advanced or upgraded rule that the reciprocal of any fraction, you just flip the fraction. Okay, so I see 1 over this expression. I could just flip it, x squared over 3y squared z. No negative exponents. I don't have multiple copies of x or y running around. So this looks about as simplified as I would be comfortable making it. And there we go.